Welcome back to this channel, and today we are going to solve this C++ practical question. And the question is,
write a program that compute the area of a circular region, the shaded area in the diagram, given the radius of the inner and outer circle are 1 and are 0 respectively.
this is the question. The question is, let me try and explain the question so that we can able to solve it. Okay, so the question is saying, let's say this, we have this diagram, we have this circular diagram, and we have another diagram inside this circular diagram. So this is the inner circle, that's the inner circle, this is the inner circle, and this particular place has been shaded. Okay, so this place has been shaded, and the question is asking us to calculate for the shaded portion, the area of the shaded portion, the area of this shaded portion. Okay, so for us to be able to calculate for the area of the shaded portion, we have to first calculate for the area of the inner circle. Okay, the area of the inner circle, and also we have to calculate for the area of the inner circle and subtract it from the area of the outer circle. So this is the inner circle, and this one. Okay, so this one is the outer circle. So for us to be able to calculate for the shaded portion, we have to subtract the outer portion, the inner portion, the area of the inner portion from the outer portion. But before, we have to first calculate for the inner portion, the area of the inner portion, and calculate for the area of the outer portion. Okay, so the formula for calculating for the inner portion is pi r square. Okay, so we use pi r square to calculate for the area of the inner portion and subtract it from the area of the outer portion. Okay, so let's start writing our course. Let me clean this one. Let me clean it. Okay, let me clean it. Okay, so let's start writing our code. So here we have to first declare our variables. Okay, we will declare our variables that we are going to use. So first we will need a constant value for the pi. Okay, but before okay, so let me first write area is equal to pi r square, okay, where pi is equal to 22. Okay, so let me make it a comment. Okay, so this is just a comment, it will not run when the program is running. So why pi is equal to 22 out of 7, or 3 points, okay, or 3.14. So this is the formula for calculating for area of a circle. Okay, so the formula is pi r square, and a pi is equal to 22 out of 7, or 3.14. so now we know the formula for calculating for area of a circle. So let's continue writing our code. Let's first declare our variables that we are going to use in our program. Let's first declare our variables. We will need a constant value. So we'll first declare a constant value for the pi. So the const yeah, double double is equal to pi, pi is equal to 3.14. And let's declare our integers that you need area, you need our the inner circle, the area of the inner circle. So we declare our inner circle, and also we will declare our inner circle and our outer circle, because we are going to calculate for the area of the inner circle and the outer circle. So we will declare the inner circle and the outer circle. Okay. So, and also we will declare R1 and R0. R1. So this one is the radius 1, and this is the radius 0. That's the radius for the outer value and the inner circle and the outer circle. So let's proceed. Let's first write our title. Okay, let's first write our title. The title is okay, so let's first write our title. There is our title, and see out. This program is this program calculate compute the area of a circular region. Okay, so let me end the line. Make sure after you finish printing out, you bring your end line. Okay, let me correct, this one is small letter. Okay, so here I'm going to underline our title. Okay, so see out. Let me underline it. Let me bring end line. Okay, so here we are going to prompt the user to enter the radius value for the inner circle. Okay, so the radius for the inner circle. Okay, so enter the inner radius. Okay, so as you have already done it, the user is going to give us the inner radius and the outer radius. So here we are going to calculate for the inner radius. So calculate for the inner circle. So we are going to first calculate for the inner circle, right? So inner circle is equal to, so here we are going to use the formula for calculating for area of a circle. So pi times R1. Okay, so pi r square, so pi R1, and let's proceed and come and calculate for the area of the outer radius. Okay, so we are going to calculate for the area of the, so this is the area of the inner circle. Okay, so let's come and calculate for the area of the outer circle. So calculate 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 okay, calculate, sorry, calculate for the outer, calculate for the outer circle, sorry, outer circle. Okay, so this is the calculation. We are going to do our calculation here. So the outer circle is equal to pi times r0, the outer radius, r0 times r0. So this is the outer radius, r0 is the outer radius. Okay, so let me close it with, okay, so this is the formula. Okay, let me close it with mine. So here I'm going to calculate for the shaded portion. Okay, so as I already explained, for me to get the area of the shaded portion, I have to subtract the area of the inner portion from the outer portion. Okay, so let me, for the area, okay, so area is equal to the outer circle minus the inner circle. Okay, so the area of the inner circle from the outer circle. Okay, so here we are going to print our area. We are going to print out our area or display our area. So let's see out. Okay, so the area is area. Okay, so area, let me separate it. Okay, so let me bring my end line. Okay, so we are done. So let's proceed and go and run our course and check whether there is no error in our course. There is no error in our course, so let's go and run. So let's go and run our course. Let me run it here in my terminal. Okay, so as you can see, there is no error. So it is asking us to enter inner radius. You see, it is asking us, so let me say 10, the outer radius, let me say 20. Okay, so you see the area is 942, but you see S and the area, like, they have combined. Okay, so let me separate it. Let me separate the number from the S. Okay, so here I'll just press space bar to space it. Okay, okay, so let me go and run my course again. Here, let me enter. Okay, let me enter 10, let me say 50. Okay, you see the area is 7536. You see, this is our area. Let me show you. This is our area. You see, this is our area. So we are done. This is our area. We are done with everything. The question is expecting from us. Okay, let me clean my distance. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and anything that is bother your mind, make sure you place it on the comment section, and I'll attend to you. Okay, so thank you for your time and your patience. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you. Have a nice day.